Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video we are going to see no sound on your Samsung TV, that is your volume is stuck or not working, low sound. So basically this video is for low sound problem or high sound problem, and here's a tutorial on how can you fix this issue. So first and foremost is you need to reboot your TV. To reboot the TV, unplug it from the main source, wait for a few seconds and then try turning it on back. After that, even if the problem persists, you need to go to settings and then go to sound. And once you go to sound, you need to perform sound test. For that, you need to go to support and then go to self-diagnosis. Here you can find start sound test. Click on it. It will start for a sound test and solve the issue. Even if this doesn't solve your problem, you need to go to sound and then go to sound mode. So you have standard, optimize and amplify. Select the sound which suits your environment and then you need to go to sound, then go to expert settings. Here you need to go to balance. Then make sure you're not too at left, not too at right. So maximum is -10 or +10. Set it to that and then click on reset. Then the next fix is you need to go to sound, expert settings, and here you can find reset sound. Click on reset sound. This will restore all your sound settings to the factory default and help you solve the problem. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you think I helped you in some way, do like, share, comment, and also do subscribe to this channel.